Sorry, what? Pardon? 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 Sorry, what? What was that? Can you please just talk a little bit louder? I can't quite.
It's raining cats and dogs out there.
Are you sure you're not infected?
Shake on it.
I guess we're in this together now.
Guess we're not friends.
So, I lost quite a bit of family during the storm.
Did you lose your grubby puppy too?
I did. And my grubby puppy, my mubby, my
about
puppy,
your Aunt
Matthew. She goes by Matt!
I guess it was fate.
I guess so. So, what's your name, pal?
I seem to have forgotten. And then the acid rains.
I lost a lot of things, including a lot of things.
Something. Binky. Whistle, Binky! What's yours, friend?
My name's Babyface Johnson.
That's Babyface Johnson. I hate to disrupt whatever this is, but we gotta go! The rain.
The rain.
It
Stops.
stops. I said rain's still on the sand. My little feeties are already burning off. Bottoms of my feet is basically practically gone. A boat! Oh, maybe we'll get this. Get back to the main. Maybe we'll be there before Thanksgiving. My mother will be with me now.
Robbie's gone.